Down beholden must be a little bit disappointed with the result today because you created so many opportunities. What is your take on the game, coach?
I mean, we are definitely the better team today. But of course, you don't convert the chances, then you're going to pay the price. I thought we could have been a little bit more patient, a little bit more purposeful with our final passes, especially in the second half. I thought we rushed a little bit too much, and then, it just never worked out in the end.
Yeah, not only that, but I mean, you have the window now. Are you going to make addition? Because it has been a problem for Down Beholden this season. Just goal scoring, good football, build-up play, but not scoring. What is the plan to address that for the rest of the season?
I think we just need to go back and work on the pitch. I mean, that is where it starts because the window is almost closed, so there's nothing much we can do. Again, I think we have enough firepower there. I think it's just a more mental thing once we get in the heads of the players and then do some more stuff tactically, then we should be okay.
All right, coach, thank you so much and all the best for the rest of the season.
Yeah, man, thanks.
All right.